Are you looking for Microsoft Azure training? So guys, I have a good news for everyone because I'm planning to start a new batch, new live sessions for Azure Administrator class and Azure Security. So this batch I'm going to design for our international candidate are who want to learn the Azure certification based content in English. So this batch will be applicable for those guys who want to learn Azure certification based content in English. So the batch will start from 15th of April, and first of all we'll complete the Azure administrator based content, means AG 104 based content. Once we complete the part of AG 104, then we will move ourselves to AG 500. You know that the AG 500 is correlated to the security. As you know that for any organization, if we talk about our on-premises, so every organization should responsible to protect the infrastructure in case of on-premises. As it is over Azure portal, for example, you purchase few services like virtual machines, you establish your own web application services or database services, and you wanted to protect. So Azure 500 based contents can help you to protect the infrastructure, protect the services that you purchase from the Azure portal. So combination of AG 104 and AG 500 will boost your career, will provide you a better path, and also it will help you to grow your IT career as well. So let's talk about the fee. So, but before that, not fee is not important. The important thing is that what are the content, what are the topics that we will cover in our training. So I'm going to guide you each and every point. I always try to use the blueprint of Microsoft Azure. So in this case, in this training, I'm going to serve you the proper content based on Microsoft blueprint. So let me show you the topics that we will cover in our training. Right, so let's start with Microsoft Azure Administrator. The course code is AG104T00 Microsoft Azure Administrator, and you know that Microsoft AG 104 means Microsoft Azure Administrator contain multiple modules like as a manage Azure identity and governance. It will help you in final examination up to 15 to 20%. Implement storage 15 to 20%. Deploy and manage compute resources 20 to 25%. Configure manage virtual networking 25 to 30%. Monitor and backup 10 to 15%. Manage Azure identity and governance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The complete 6 module that we will cover in our AG 104 content, right? In starting means in our Azure Administrator training, we will cover each and every point. This is the module, but let me show you the subtopic of AG 104, right? So like we'll start from the very basic. Okay, the contents are, we need to start from the very basic like as a module 1, administrator identity, 2 to 3 hours the content that required. In this part we will discuss about Azure Active Directory, configure user and group accounts. Then we'll move ourselves to module 2. In this case we'll discuss about subscription, about Azure policies, what about RBAC, role-based access control. After that, we'll move ourselves to the Azure resources, ARM template, virtual network, group, firewall. These all are the points that we will cover with the help of Azure portal. So I always try to give the quality based content, as you know that our about our Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. I always prefer to give you the 100% live practical based video. But this is live session, so you can directly ask me questions related to Azure Administrator, Azure Security. So I'll give you the complete details based on AG 104. This is the course curriculum. I'm going to provide you the link in description that you can find and download the content and go through by self, and after that you can decide to join our live session. This is the course content that we will cover in our AG104. And in case of AG500, you know that Microsoft Azure Security Engineer. And in case of Microsoft Azure Security Engineers also contain 4 different modules. Manage identity and access, 30 to 35% content. Implement platform protection, right? That help you to clear the examination up to 15 to 20%. Manage security operation, 25 to 30%. Secure data and appliance application, 25% to 30%. So these all are the modules that we will cover in our AG500. So these all are the core content in the sense you can say that the subtopic that we will cover in our day-to-day classes. So we have a proper roadmap and we will follow this particular roadmap to clear our to complete our training. So I'll give you the quality based training and also serve you some real-time projects. Those projects can help you to build your confidence, right? Because you know that I understand about the value of time, and I always try to give you my best. I'll always try to give you the industry based training. So if you really want to boost your career in cloud technology, especially in Microsoft Azure, so this package is really helpful for you guys, because I'm going to serve these 2 different certification in just $500, right? So in $500 you will get a complete details related to Microsoft Azure Administrator, AG104 and AG500. So that's all guys, and I have already mentioned the contact detail, mail ID and contact number. If you're interested, please drop a WhatsApp or call me or just drop a email. And I'm going to start the session by 15th of April. So today is 11th, so we have 4 more days, so you have enough time. Enroll yourself, and I'm going to mention one what we can say that Google form. So if you're interested, please fill up the form. I will contact you. So thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye. Let's connect in our live session. Bye bye guys.